Hey guys, this is my 2013 Yamaha Raider. It's a 1900cc big ass motor. Throwing this video up just to show people that the difference between the factory exhaust and the new Freedom Performance Cobalt Series 2-in-1. And I thought I would throw a video up to show people what it sounds like and what it looks like. In my opinion, it's huge difference in appearance because it shows the back tire more, access to the back tire axle, all that type of thing. So let's have a look, and then I'll fire it up so you can hear what it sounds like. Like I said, this is a 2013. I'm not sure on the variations of the Raider through the years. I'm pretty sure they were made from 08 to 18. But as far as when they switched from silver to black wheels, if anybody wants to leave in the comments when that happened, that's information that would be cool to know. And I also didn't know when I first bought this. I know that they have that, what is it called, an SCL? Is that what it's called? Star Cycle Limited, I believe. That's what it stands for. And then it would show up here in the middle of the tank which number you have. I actually thought this one was the Star Cycle one until I saw one, and I noticed the paint and the seat and all that. But no, I love this bike. I picked this up from the original owner, and it has 6,700 miles on it, and in my opinion, it's like it's like a new bike. Let's get this fired up so you guys can hear what it sounds like. It's hard to get this side with. This side looks just as clean and good as the other side. I'm very happy with my purchase. Well, it's a little louder than what I was expecting, but it's growing on me. But it does sound good. I think it has scared the hell out of my dog. There you go, guys. 2013 Yamaha Raider with a Cobalt Series Freedom 2-in-1 exhaust. The install was kind of a pain in the butt, but worth it in the end, in my opinion. See you next time.